Good morning everybody. How are you? Nihan, Indrakshi, Rithojit, Protushna, Ushmi, Didi, how are you? I think everybody is fine. Now puja is coming, and also if you are going outside, every teacher, all the teachers are telling, please wear mask whenever you are going outside. Okay beta, and first of all Nihan is telling that I am fine beta. Thank you. You should be fine, you should be stay safe and healthy in your house. And all the students, if you are going outside in the puja, please wear mask, use sanitizer. But at the time, this time I am telling, please enjoy puja in your home with your family members, okay? And when your mother will make the delicious food for you, that time you should help to your mother, okay? And they will be very happy. So today, just I will teach you funny bunny. Last day I have told you the funny bunny, and today this class also I will do the question answer. Funny bunny. Funny bunny. English. Funny bunny. Funny bunny, that text you have read the story that one day the funny bunny, who is Reza? Please don't do all these things, don't do chat in this year, fine, everybody happy, Panchami ma'am, Indrakshi is writing, okay, happy Durga Puja. All this, yes, every day Indrakshi is writing that I am missing you, every day I am also telling, I am really missing you beta, okay, I am missing you too much. And this puja I pray to Durga Ma that all the things will be finished, I think soon, and we will meet again. Okay beta, everybody will pray. So we can meet again, we can lead our life, normal life, okay, normally, and very nicely. We will come to school regularly and also will enjoy the class. And I told you Indrakshi, you should help. Everybody I am telling, you should help your parents, and Indrakshi especially to you, you should help to your father, okay, not to go outside. You will play, talk with your father. Sometimes if you go to see the Durga Puja, you can wear mask, you should wear mask, okay beta, everybody. Okay, Snigdha also writing that means bhalo thakben, okay, you also will stay safe and healthy in your home and enjoy your puja in your home. And Nihan, and what are you doing now? I think you are not doing any mischievous things to your home. I think you are now very good boy, okay. Nihan, Reza, Hidi, everybody you are typing. Protushna is telling that I miss you ma'am, happy Durga Puja, everybody beta, everybody I am missing you. Okay, let's start. Page number 82, 83, okay, the question answer is there. And here I want to tell you, Dibbojyoti, when you are doing the class, you should wear one shirt, okay, okay beta, one formal dress, okay, I am very happy to see you, and but wear one formal shirt, okay. Okay, thank you Riddhi, thank you beta. And today is puja, no, so that's why. And okay, let's start that. Page number 83. You know that story. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. I wish that we can meet soon, okay, after the puja, or as soon as possible we can meet in our school. Okay beta, please start. So Funny Bunny, one day Funny Bunny, one small rabbit, he was thinking that what he was thinking? That one sky was falling on him. So he was very afraid, and he was telling that, Snigdha, I think you are having some net problem, so you cannot hear me. Okay. So one thing, and one day he is telling that sky is falling down. Sky is falling down. So he must tell the king. So while going on the way, he met so many animals: Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, Pussy Goosey, Lucky Ducky, and at last Waxy Foxy. Okay. Okay beta. So here one day, today I will write the copy work or book, anything you can do, no problem for Saptarshi Kundu. Whatever you think, some space is there in book, and also you can, if you want, you can write in copy. So page number 83, you can write, one day a nut fell. Nut fell, number 1. Number 2, Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king. The king what he saw. Who said these words in this story? Okay, who said these words? This story. Reza, don't mute me. Reza, oof, oh. Oof. Reza, don't mute me. Don't mute me. Okay, Reza. You have muted me. If you have muted BMS Skype, you will not listen anything. Okay? Okay? Okay, now Pratashna, please do it. A nut fell on the sky, and the king, what he saw. Who said these words in the story? Ouch! The sky is falling down. Number 1. Sky is falling down. Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny said to himself. Number 2 also. I must tell the king. That is also same thing. That Funny Bunny said to himself, because first line he is telling that, Riddhi, please don't, okay, Auditra, I will tell that. Okay, next one, number 3, question number 3, the king lives here. That is fox. Waxy Foxy said to the all animals. And number 4 also, number 4. Again, that follow me, Waxy Foxy said to the all animals. Okay, so number 4, I have written that the king lives here, follow me all these. Who has taken Reza, don't take the snapshot, okay. Please write in a book or do this. So number 4, number 5, and what happened to all the animals in the end? Okay, what happened? Question number 5 or question is there, what happened? All the animals what happened all the animals in the end? Answer is there. King, the king means you know that lion king or the fox, foxy foxy, king or fox ate all the animals. Actually, it is the fox. Fox ate all the animals. We can write that. Okay. Please don't take that photo. Okay. Protushna, again Reza removes. Oof, why are you doing this, Reza? Please write all these things in your copy. So here the king or the fox ate all the animals. All the animals. So next one, let's listen. Funny bunny, cocky locky, funny henny penny, pussy goosey, waxy foxy. Okay, I have written all the spelling. Please do this. Say aloud, ouch, pouch, couch. Ouch, pouch, couch. All these meanings are there. Like this, pouch means one small packet and couch also type of chair or sitting place. Follow, hollow, swallow. Follow, hollow and swallow. Follow means someone is persuading or someone is moving behind, or follow means another things, the rules they can follow. Hollow, hollow means there is nothing. Swallow means gobbled, gile fella. Down, town, frown. Frown means that irritating some things. Bray, the calling of donkey. Clay means soil and sway means moving. Next one, circle the odd one out. Bun, sun, fun, gun, one. Okay. Bun, sun, odd one out. We can do this. Do in your book. Reza, stop your front camera. Fat, bun, sun, fun, gun, one. Number 1. Just look at the spelling. 1. Circle it. Bed, fed, led, said, read. Okay. Bed, fed, led, said, read. Spelling S-A-I-D. That is odd one. He, me, be, T, we. So, T. We, say, he, pay, they. So, they. All these please circle it. Next one, find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. So, we can make it sentences. Fat, please, Nihan, Protushna, Oshmi, please answer that. What is the opposite of fat? Okay, Reza, or all these things, please don't chat here. Protushna has written thin. So, thin. Number 1, thin. Yes. So, make sentence. The thin boy is running. Nihan also has given the answer. Oshmi, next one, fall. Please given. The Nihan also please give. Protushna give. Reza give. Everybody please answer that. Fall. I am waiting for your answer. Nihan please give. Fall. Climb also we can give. Anyone? Anyone? Fall. Climb. Anyone? Saptashikundu, end not, up. That we can tell also. Fall, up also we can, climb also, up also. He is going up. Monkey is climbing in the tree. Climb also I have given. Climbing, monkey is climbing in the tree. Okay, that also you can write. Next one, start. End we can write, finish we can write. Stop we can write. Anything if you write, you have to make the sentence. So finish. We must finish our homework. Our work. Okay, we must finish our work. Stop also we can do, very good. Stop, you can make one sentence that we should stop making noise. Okay. So next one, come. Next one, come. Come, go. Work, homework, anything you can write. Okay. Come, go. So the children always go first. F-A-S-T, F-I-R-S-T, whatever you can write. Okay. Next one, big. Big, small. The playground is very small. Playground is only one word. Playground is small. So next one, page number 85. Page number 85. Yes, page number 85. Page number 85. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell on his head. He thought that sky was falling. So he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last they met a clever fox. It took them to forest and ate them up. Okay? Page number 85. 85 beta, please. Yes, fill in the blanks. Next one, rearrange. Rearrange. One day, number one. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Next, number two. Funny Bunny said, the sky is falling down. Number two. Funny Bunny said, the sky is falling down. Falling down. Then number three, here I am writing. I must tell the king. I must tell the king. Number four, the king lives here. Who is writing like this? We can, yes, you can make sentences by your own. Okay. I must tell the king, Shankho, please don't lie on the bed. You should just get up and do the class. The king lives here. The king lives here. Page number 86. Page number 86. Page number 86. Down. Only one word you can change. Town. T-O-W-N. Met. Set. Way. Please answer that. Not to just send that auditory. Why are you sending all this? Way. Here you can write. Way. Hey. Say, hey, anything you can write. King, ring. Soon, moon. Bat, mat. Rats, cat, anything you can write. After that, please look at this book. Here you should do in your, all these things you can, a cat, rat, osmi, yes, anything you can write. Please do this in your home and this story. You should try to tell the story. Next day I will tell the story. And for everybody, I am telling Happy Durga Puja. Enjoy the puja. And please just, I am telling that present everybody. Aritro Ghosh, Oshmi Pal, Dibbojyoti Tiwari, Dibbojyoti Tiwari, Hridi Paja, Indrakshi Sen, Nihan Chaudhary, Pratyushna, Rithojit, Saptarshi Malik, Shankho Roy, Sheikh Chand, Snigdha Ghosh. Okay. Happy Puja beta. Thank you. Yes, I know that you are present. No need to write now. Once you have written, so no need to write.